I never thought this guy would be next. The fascinating and ever so deadly Liopleurodon. This sea monster was one of the most... I don't know how to describe this, even though he was seen in a movie. Even though it's black and white, like something you see in New York City, it's kind of a bystander. Anyhow, the first time I saw Liopleurodon was on Chased by Dinosaurs. I thought his name was Liopleurodon, but I think I may have gotten it mixed up. But you get the idea. Some people have difficulty with the names. Like I thought Parasaurolophus was Parasaurolophus. Common mistake. Anyway, the first time I saw it was on Prehistoric Planet, and well, the first time I saw it in action, it was founded in one of the most deadliest seas. Well, it was in the second deadliest. Seeing this animal in action, well, the first time I saw the second time I saw Liopleurodon in action was in Prehistoric Planet, a reboot to Walking with Dinosaurs. I kind of prefer Walking with Dinosaurs better. That way we get to see all the unneeded scenes. Liopleurodon is one of the greatest sea animals of all time. Compared to Mosasaur, this guy's, well, way stronger. Alexa, plays Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission.
Another thing about this guy, well, I saw him on Jurassic Quest, and, well, he was painted purple. We all know that his body is black and white. You can't beat BBC Video, folks. Their series is literally the best. The eye doesn't even match up. It's a lot more like, its fossil remains were found in Central America. I hope it was found in NYC. I mean, look how giant this Colossus is. If this guy makes another appearance in the next dinosaur documentary series, well, let's just beg for mercy that it would be black and white again. I mean, seriously, it demolished an Thalassophonea with one bite. Nothing but its tail. That's just, well, evil. Well, I highly doubt he'll ever do that again. It's literally one of the sweetest things I've ever met. Anyway, that's how you draw Liopleurodon. Now, Here's a request from our faithful Ask Me bot. Alexa, what is Liopleurodon?
Liopleurodon is an extinct genus of large, carnivorous marine reptile belonging to the Thalassophonea, a clade of short-necked plesiosaurs. Liopleurodon lived from the Callovian Stage of the Middle Jurassic to the Kimmeridgian Stage of the Late Jurassic Period. It was the apex predator of the Middle to Late Jurassic seas that covered Europe.
That takes care of that.